guys, what is up? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen eyeshadow makeup look today. This one has been really popular lately and I wanted to recreate it for you guys. So if you are interested in seeing how to do this simple bronzed eye look from the early 2000s and very Mary-Kate Ashley Olsen, then just keep watching. So we're going to do a quick little eyeshadow look inspired by the Olsen twins, the early 2000s. It's an easy look and flattering on any eye shape, any eye color. It's basically just a light bronzed look all over the eye, and you're kind of going to want to round out the look of your eye as well. There's no harsh eyeliner and it's just really soft and pretty, and yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna start off with my Sephora Best Skin Ever Glow Concealer in the shade Nude and just lighten up those inner corners. We definitely really liked a really bright and light under eye in the early 2000s, but I am just going to not do something so light, but just put on a little bit more concealer than usual just to kind of lighten up that area. And blend the excess out onto the lid. All right, digging out the Urban Decay Honey Palette. I haven't used this in a while, but this has those shimmery bronze tones in them that were really popular in the early 2000s. So first off, I'm just going to start off with a base on the eye, and I'm just going to use the brush that this eyeshadow palette comes with and go into the shade Sweet. This is just a neutral tone. I'm just going to get that all over the lid. Next, I'm going to go in with a round, fluffier brush. I want to pick up a lighter amount of pigment, and I'm going to go into HBIC, the shade right here. It looks a little lighter on camera, but it is a nice kind of goldy shade, bronze shade, and I'm just going to start buffing that on the eye. Just circular motions and just concentrating the shade up on the brow bone and on the lid, but not right in the inner part of the eye. Just blend that out on the brow bone. Just going to keep this part too bright. That's going to add lift. With that same rounded brush, I'm going to go into the shade Queen, which is going to be a little bit more depth and a little bit of some cooler tones in it. And I'm just going to keep that more to the outer part of the eye. And just lightly blend it in. getting a little fallout, but it's actually helping, not the fallout, just this tone is helping kind of cool down the orange and the warmth in the other shade, because I wanted a little bit more neutral and a little bit more of a brown bronze than golden. I'm going to go in with the square side from the brush and the palette and go into the shade Amber. And I'm going to use that underneath the eye. And that's just going to pop and be the warmest of the shades. We can just kind of round that out on the outer corner. All right, now we're going to take just a flat rounded brush and go into the shade Flyby, which is the brightest color in the palette, and I'm just going to put that right in the middle, and that's going to give some nice lift to the brow, to the brow bone area. Just blend that through. And then a little bit of Flyby right in the inner corner. I'm going to add a little bit more bronze to my cheeks. Bronzer was definitely huge, huge, huge in the early 2000s. It was pretty much all I wore. We got a glossy lip going on, so we don't need any more on the lips. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of Rare Beauty's Cheer blush. If there was a blush we were wearing, it was like a peachy, pinky, shimmery blush. So we'll pop that up on the apples of the cheeks, just a touch though. All right, to finish the look, I just put on some mascara. I added it to my top and bottom lash. That just gives you more of that Mary-Kate, Ashley Olsen eye. They definitely would put the mascara on the bottoms of their lashes. That'll create more of a rounded look as well. I usually don't, but I wanted to have more of that eyeshadow look today, so this is the finished look. So easy to do. Yeah, just find your favorite bronzed gold, shimmery, not shimmery, but more of a foil tone, put on a matte base, and then kind of play with those shades on top of that to create a bronzed eye look like Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.